Hey guys, I hope you're well. Yeah, today we're going to be looking at solving a system of equations using the Gauss Elimination method. Okay, cool. So on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you love what you see, please do subscribe and please do share the videos with your friends as well. I'll say cool. So let's get started. So with, not import. So with, and then student, and then linear algebra. Okay, and this is a system of equations, right? So I need to create a matrix, so M, which consists of the coefficients of the known variables. So M, right, and right. So that's 2, 1, and then 1, and then 1, 3, and then 2, and then 3, minus 2, and minus 4. Sorry, I forgot to put matrix there. Right. We got there in the end. Okay, cool. Sorry about that. Right, and my vector, so that will be 5, 1, and minus 4. Okay, right, and then the Gauss elimination, tutor, a Gauss tutor, so the M, and then V, and then my output is equal to steps. Right, voila. So shows you all the steps, and then we get the values. X is equal to 2, then y is minus 3, then z equals 4. I can also do it this way. So linear solve, tutor, and then so M and then V. Right, so I'll do the Gauss-Jordan, and then click on all steps, and then close that. That would import everything. So there we go. So 2, minus 3, and 4 as we got here. Okay, cool. Yeah, and I can also do it this way as well. The Gaussian. And then M, and then V. And then all steps. Right, so I'll close that. Here we are. Right, cool. So hopefully this was helpful, just to show you how to do a Gauss elimination tuition, to solve a system of equations. Okay, cool. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.